Duke and I flew into Athens from Skiathos towards the end of our 2-month European adventure. We spent 3 days exploring. We had each been to Athens in the mid-1970s, but that was a very long time ago. We did the Rick Steves Athens City walking tour. It starts on Syntagma Square in front of the Greek Parliament building. The next morning, we watched the changing of the guard at the tomb of the unknown soldier. Then we walked through the National Garden. So how is it?
Good.
Just like what you had when you were here before?
No, this one's bigger.
Harder to find too, right?
You know, don't have them on every street corner anymore.
After lunch, we did the Rick Steves tour of the National Archaeological Museum. On our last morning in Athens, we took the subway to the ferry port to catch the high-speed ferry to the island of Syntagma. Athens is a very clean city. While we were waiting for our ferry, we even saw men picking up litter in the harbor.